Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious Mexican white spaghetti. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 12 ounces of spaghetti, half a pound of ham, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 of a cup of onion, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 cup of heavy cream or milk, 1 cup of table cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of pickled jalapeño juice, queso Oaxaca, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to begin by bringing to a boil 4 quarts of water. Once that begins to come to a boil, we're going to add our salt. Okay, now we're going to add our pasta. And we're going to allow it to cook al dente. So just follow the instructions in your package. And once our pasta is al dente, we're going to reserve 3/4 of a cup of the pasta water. And now we're going to get ready to drain it. So make sure you turn off your stove. Now we're going to set it to the side so we can make our pasta sauce. Okay, to make our sauce, we're going to grab our skillet or pan. We're going to set it at medium-high heat. To that, we're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're going to allow our butter to melt. And once the butter melts, we're going to add our ham. And we're going to allow it to cook for a couple minutes. And after a couple minutes, we're going to add our diced onion. Going to mix it all together and give it another couple minutes. After the couple minutes, we add the minced garlic. We're only going to give it a couple seconds. Okay, so now we're going to add our heavy cream or milk and our cream cheese. So we're just going to dissolve the cream cheese. Cream cheese dissolves, we're going to add our media crema, pasta water, pickled jalapeño juice, and spices. And I just mix it all together and allow this to thicken up. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our sauce should have thickened up. So now we're going to add our cheese. I'm adding 1 cup of queso Oaxaca, but of course you can use Monterey Jack or your favorite melting cheese. We're just going to allow it to melt. And once our cheese melts, we're going to add our pasta. Just mix it all together. And once we mix, we're going to allow it to cook together for 2 minutes. And after a couple minutes, our white spaghetti is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so just grab your pasta and serve. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm just going to be garnishing with a little queso fresco and a little cilantro. And you can serve it as a side dish or as a main dish, but just like that, we can enjoy our delicious Mexican white spaghetti. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. Everyone loves it, and best part, it's super easy. And like I said, you can substitute the ham for bacon. You know, bacon adds a delicious flavor as well. Or, you know, if you want to skip on it, you can do so. But I am so ready. You can use it as a main dish or serve it with some milanesa de pollo, fried chicken, or whatever your choice of protein is. But I am ready. Let me tell you, I love spaghetti. Red spaghetti, green spaghetti, and white spaghetti are my absolute favorite. So cheers and enjoy. And I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna take this big bite. But I'm ready. seriously, super delicious. Creamy, cheesy, so flavorful, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make a delicious Mexican white spaghetti. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.